Yo, what's up guys, it's Chaz. I'm in my home studio right now. You may recognize the background from some of my live sessions. I'm actually exporting some videos right now, and I wanted to take a minute to kind of just break down what it is I'm using in the live sessions, how I'm doing it, and how you can kind of do it for yourselves at home or taking this out on the road and making it work for yourself. So you don't always have to have me with you to make content. So the first thing we have is the same thing I'm shooting on right now. I use two of these in my studio. They're pretty much my go-to backup camera and low-key becoming my main camera. It's a Sony ZV-1. It's tiny. It runs about 500 bucks used on Amazon. It's got a perfect zoom lens on it. I love it. The battery life is a little short, but it's perfect for quick content sessions. And if I'm in the studio, I got them plugged up. In my place, I'm running two cameras. I've got one that sits right here and one that sits behind me over there. We got a close-up and a wide shot. The next thing you're gonna need for your Go kit, I don't need them in the studio because, well, I've actually got my studio lights. I flip them right on and then they're ready to go. But if you don't have studio lights, you're gonna wanna get one of these. It's just $20 on Amazon. It's a little 49 LED. I'm using one right now on top of this camera. I use them on the go when I just need to get a little extra light. And the last thing you're gonna need is a recorder. I'm recording into my DAW right now. I use Logic, and I'm running through my Snake right into the background behind us. But when I'm on the go, I'm using my Tascam. It's a dual track recorder. It does 2 channels, XLR combo jack, so it's really great for solo live acoustics. I record that, I take it back home, put it into Logic, and I'm good to go. And then honestly, now I just picked up one of these. It runs about the same price, and it's a 4-track recorder. It doesn't have the combo jacks, but you can just use a DI box, which you can get on Amazon for about 20 bucks now too. So that's basically all I'm using in the sessions right now. But let me go ahead and show you guys the other last little thing that I've got is this little microphone. You can see that, it's a PreSonus PD70 is the microphone. It runs about, I picked mine up for about 80 bucks on Black Friday on Amazon, but I think you can buy them brand new for about 100 bucks, 120 bucks. Honestly, that's all I'm doing for my live sessions now. You can do that on your own. You can pick up these cameras, all of these things that I listed. The most expensive thing is the camera. It runs $500 used. Everything else is 100, 200 bucks down below. And that's exactly what I'm doing in my live sessions. I take them right into Logic. If you don't know how to use Logic, download my Logic Pro template. You literally just record the files, plop them right back in there, and you're good to go. And yeah, I mean, honestly, videos are done exporting and I'm done talking. So that's how we do it, and hopefully y'all learned something.